एक महीने हो गए छुट्टी मिलके, कोरोना 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 बोल के घर पे बैठे रहते। कुछ तो काम कर, कुछ तो काम सीख। खाना पकाने के लिए तुझको
ओ फिर से चालू किया मम्मी ने। अरे यार मम्मा, मैं कितना काम रहता है, स्कूल का हम लोग का सेमिनार्स होता है, सब काम रहता है। ओके भाई, मैं खाना बनाती हूँ आज, लेकिन आप बीच में मत आना, ठीक है? So guys, as I promised my mother, I'll be cooking food for her. So now I've made all the ingredients ready here. Now I've not demanded for much of things, but I've seen that there are some chilies which were kept inside the refrigerator, and the onions, the leftover onions from the spring onions. And so I thought of making a sabzi, which is made by combining these both. So to make the sabzi, I'm taking the spring onions, these green chilies. I'm sorry if I've mentioned red chilies, but these are green chilies, the fat ones. And I'll be taking adrak, lasoon, that is ginger, garlic paste, tamarind pulp, a bit of tamarind pulp is also required in this, and I'll also be taking rai, jeera. Okay, now this is all for the sabzi that I've took, and I'll also be making dal fry. So for the dal fry, I've already cooked the dal, and I've cooked this dal for 3 to 4 whistles, and I've crushed it and made it a smooth puree like this. And for the dal fry, I've took ginger, garlic, tomatoes, curry leaves, red chilies, and onions. And on top, it is much required, there's coriander leaves. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention about this. This is dry coconut. In this, I'll be adding little bit of cumin seeds, and I'll be grinding this, and this would be taken for the sabzi. And the sabzi, I'll be only using some kitchen king masala which I've kept in this, and a bit of turmeric powder and hing powder. Okay, and this red chili powder which I'll be taking for dal fry. So here I've put the flame on, and I've heated both the kadais here, and one I'll be cooking the sabzi, and the other one I'll be cooking the dal. So I've put 2 teaspoon of oil in each. Now the first procedure is I'll crackle the rye in both the kadais. Okay, once in that crackles, I'll be putting the jeera inside it. Okay, so here my rye has started popping up and started doing its course now. Now in both of these, I'll be adding some cumin seeds. It's always advisable to keep a flame a bit in the lower end, because you all might not be aware when it will start burning and all. Okay, so that is how our rye and jeera is looking. Now once that is done, we'll be adding our other ingredients. So at this stage now, I'll be adding some curry leaves in both. Okay, now in this I'll be adding, this is for the sabzi, so I'll be adding onions in that. And for the dal, I'll be adding this ginger garlic, which I've crushed and kept. Now our onions have are starting to become pinkish a bit. At this stage, we'll be adding our ginger garlic, which we had kept for our sabzi. So make a hole in between and add it in the oil that is left inside. See, as you can see, just mix it up with the onions inside. And at this stage, when this is done, it has become brown. The ginger and garlic has become brown. At this stage, I'll be adding the onions in this. Just because we are making this dal tadka, I have to add the onions and tomatoes. We have to prepare this as a sabzi only, and then only we can put it inside our dal. If not that, if we are not making dal tadka, we just need to let's say cook the ginger and garlic and put it inside our dal. Now just because it is dal tadka, I have to use these ingredients. So here our onions have started becoming brown. The onions for our dal fry has become pink enough. Now I'll wait for it to turn into golden brown a bit. And here our onions for our chili sabzi has become brown. Now into this I'll be adding this coconut and jeera which I crushed in the mixer. So here now I'm giving it a good mix with the onions and the coconut and the jeera and rye and curry patta and my ginger and garlic inside. Now this is the texture what is required for this. And here our onions have started becoming golden brown. Now into this I'll be adding the rest of my ingredients, that is the green chilies and the tomatoes. Okay, now we'll allow this mixture for the dal tadka to rest, and to cook that faster I'll add on the salt into it. Because once when the tomatoes are added, you need to put the salt. That makes the cooking procedure more faster and easier. So you add the salt according to your taste. And here we'll be adding our, before me adding the tamarind pulp in this, I'll be adding some masalas in this. Now this is my kitchen king masala. I just love cooking with this masala, so I'll be adding this masala in this. And then the turmeric powder and our hing. And then we'll be mixing it properly. And then we'll be adding our tamarind pulp. So see, you can see it has become dry now. Once when you add the tamarind pulp, it will be a bit in the gravier form. So now at this stage, I'll be adding our tamarind pulp. Here the noise, it's smelling also good. And then here we'll be giving it a good mix. Now since we are making this bhaji sukka, I'll not be adding much of water in this, but still if we require, we can add it. Okay, and since this is done, we'll be adding our chilies into it. Okay, these are the chilies that I'll be adding into it. Look at that color. Okay, now I'll close this and cook. With the steam only it will cook. No need of water. If you feel there is a need of water, you can add in some water. But let's see now what happens once without water if you are cooking. Okay. Now if you all have concentrated properly and noticed, we did not put salt in this. So at this stage, we'll be adding salt in this. So I think this much salt would be enough for us. You can add the salt as per your taste. Okay. And then give it a mix. And then you can keep the lid and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Then your sabzi will be done. As you all have seen, I've kept my gas on the lowest flame and I've covered the lid and I've started cooking it. So let's see what happens after 5 to 7 minutes. I'll show you the texture after that. Now here we come on. Okay, now as you can see, our tomatoes have started becoming soft and it's becoming mushy. Now at this stage, I'll be adding the masalas into it. Okay, so I'll be adding some hing, red chili powder, that is only for color. I'll be adding some turmeric powder in it. Turmeric powder I have added while cooking the dal itself. So all the masalas are there inside this and give it a good mix. You can add a little more salt if you want. Okay, the masalas are playing their role because it's making me cup. You can see everyone is cupping. Now I'll add the dal inside it. Now you can see I've added the dal in it and you give it a good mix. Now since the dal is a bit thick, I'll be adding a little more of water. So see, I've added some water in it, so it has become a bit more smoother. So you'll have to close, put the lid and cook this also, and by that time I'll show you what our chilies are doing. So this is our chili. It is not cooked yet, so we'll have to put the lid and cook this more for 5 to 7 minutes. Between 5 to 7 minutes, you need to check what is going on inside. So you can see here our dal is ready. It has boiled completely and it's ready to be served. At this stage now, I'll be putting our green coriander leaves. Because our in Maharashtra, no dish is complete without this coriander leaves, according to the Maharashtrians. So I also follow that trend because even I love coriander leaves. So give it a good stir. And yes, you'll put off the flame now because this is ready and up for serving. So here you can see, as soon as you put off the flame, our dal has settled and it's ready to be served. I had tasted one chili from this and it is like, I don't know why is it tasting, I mean, it is very spicy. So if you all also feel the same, you can add in some sugar into it or jaggery. I mean, it's your choice. I'll be adding sugar because I'm not that concerned about my health. So, little bit of sugar can play magic in this. If not this, then if children you all are making, then you can add some tomato ketchup also in this. That would be also innovative. Okay, because there would be tangy taste and sour taste and everything in that. So, again, now this is still not cooked. Some chilies are cooked, some chilies are not cooked. So, I'll be again closing it. Adding a little bit of water in this because it's taking too long to cook. So, adding water can also make the cooking procedure a bit more easier and faster. So I've added a bit more water in this. Now it's the first time that I'm adding water in this. So I would have done that before itself, you know. It's okay. So I'm again closing this now. Ma,
Yes.
Mama, मैंने भाजी और दाल दोनों भी बना लिया है. अब बोलती हो मैं कुछ काम नहीं करती. कितना काम किया मैंने? कांदा काटने से लेके टमाटर काटने से लेके सब काट के बनाई हूँ मैं.
ठीक है तू अच्छा लड़की है. मैं थोड़ा गुस्सा किया रहेगा तो भी तू सब सीखा ना. ठीक है, तू जाकर आराम कर. मैं चावल बनाते हैं. ठीक है.
देखा, सोपिंग थोड़ा काम करेगा तो चल जाएगा. So this is my today's meal. This is the chili bhaji that we have prepared. This is some Karela fry which my mother has prepared. Like this we have chopped and we have marinated this with some curd, turmeric powder, chili powder. We have mixed this and kept it to dry it out in the sun rays for around 10 to 15 days and then we can fry this up. This is a papad that also me and my mother had prepared at home itself. This is urad dal papad. This is the dal fry that I prepared today. This is a form of pickle. I don't know what it is called in English, but it is called as luikya in Malayalam. This is another pickle that is of let's say avla, and this is normal rice that has been cooked today. So this is a set of papad that we have made at home. These are the achars that were made.